Yes, I think is it possible to define peace in its own terms? I think so, but the terms are very broad. Peace would include a job, enough to eat, a lack of violence in families and in communities and in countries. It would include the opportunity to go to school, to have all the health care that you need. All those, in my mind, are part of peace. And of course, now we are including the problem of climate change. Our relationship with nature has not been peaceful. We have been waging a war, in a way, on our water and forests and land. And this is a new aspect of peace that I think people are slowly beginning to appreciate.